And another beautiful dipping sauce, coriander mayonnaise dipping. It is the blend of lot of fresh coriander, garlic and lemon juice. This is a great dipping sauce and also dolloping on burger or wrapper. This is a very quick and easy recipe. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna, welcome to Simply Food. Into a blender jar, take handful of fresh coriander leaves, take 2 green chilies, ginger, 8 to 9 cloves of garlic, half of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder and salt to taste. Cover the lid of the blender jar and make a paste. Now open the lid. You can smell the freshness of coriander and lemon while you first open the lid. You can see the texture. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of coriander paste which we made and mix them well. You can serve this dipping sauce with any fried snacks, boiled or roasted veggies, and also you can spread this on sandwiches and burger. I have so many dipping sauce recipes on my channel, so I'll give the link of them in the description box. Coriander mayonnaise dipping sauce is ready. That's it for today's video. If you like this recipe, hit the like button after watching the video, to subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends. Leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.